How to fix Apple ID not creating. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, open settings and tap on your name on top and then go ahead and see if you are using a correct age limit or not, as 13 years and older is the exact age limit for you to be able to create an Apple ID. And while creating Apple ID, enter your correct date of birth and make sure not to use or change the DOB repeatedly, as Apple may block while creating the account. Next, while using email address, make sure to use a new email address and make sure not to use an email ID or Apple ID that has already been linked to your Apple account. Next, make sure that you are using a proper, correct phone number with its correct country code, as Apple allows limited Apple IDs per phone number. So you can try using a different phone number if your phone number has already been linked, or you can use a family member's number too if that's the case. Next, go ahead and make sure that you are using a proper working internet connection, and if not, then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and turn off VPN if you are connected to a VPN, as Apple often blocks suspicious networks. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then you can go ahead and open your preferred browser and tap on the search bar and search for appleid.apple.com, and then go ahead and create your Apple ID from there and then log in to your iPhone again. If not, then you can also try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. Also, launch the Settings application and tap on General and then on Software Update. Go ahead and make sure that you are using the latest version, as old iOS versions cause sign up errors. And last but not the least, in Settings, again tap on General and then scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will erase all Wi-Fi passwords and will help you give a restart to your network. And by now, your issue should have been fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Apple ID not creating. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.